Hello, welcome to TOYSREVIL. Today I'm unboxing a Kaiju sitting in a row. Kaiju sitting in a row. Okay, from Pop Mart. I have previously done a time-lapse unboxing where I pulled a Dada. So this is a figure here. Let me take a look at the box first. Let me go to the figure. So this the box is just came out like this week, early this week. I saw it online and I cannot lie, I found it adorable. It's not something that I would collect necessarily actively, but I knew I had to get these. So I got two boxes. Opened one with time-lapse, which you can see on my YouTube channel. So this is the Dada figure, which I did not, this is the first time I'm speaking about it. Previously I've just seen videos. So it's literal baby chibi look. It's pretty weighted, pretty heavy. Came with accessories, 4 interchangeable hands, so which is cool. Let me see, you can just plonk it up like this. So to me it's always fun when the figure, you can play with the figure. Of course the fear is with my current hoard, little bits and pieces will disappear, but that's that. Very nicely detailed Dada. Yeah. So with this out of the way, I'll just put this here. Yeah, put this out of the way. We will unbox Kaiju sitting in a row. Yeah, I didn't really stare at this design as much as I did. Couldn't really see the details here versus the online images, so it's all good, which I'll post about anyways. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. I will be posting still images of the box, so yeah, I look forward to that on my blog. But this is a pretty decently huge figure set, so which is fun. For the dollar value, the sizes have become bigger. That's accessory. I know if I look at the accessory, it'll give away what the figure is, so I will not take it out now. I'll just take out the blind bag. I'll struggle and take out the blind bag. Ooh, I think yeah, I don't want to know what it is until I open up the bag. There's also a card inclusive of the box. We just put over there. We see what's in the bag first. Usual blind bag, Pop Mart logo. This is pretty big. You can see from my hands ain't huge in the first place, so this looks big on my hands. Rip into it. No mercy to. Ooh, I think not much of a surprise. Immediately I see it, and I love it. This is what I wanted. Ta-da! Ta-da! Adorable, love it. Adorable. Oh my gosh, I am hooked lah. It's adorable, and I love toys. This is like a little baseball in the palm of my hand. So cute, so cute. Put this dude down. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. Oh, it's a balloon. I thought it was a basketball. Let's look at the card so you know the official name of this dude. Pigmon. What's this? Yeah, I'm totally missing out on my Kaiju influences. I don't understand what is here. Maybe it's part of his programming. I mean the show that has a balloon sticking out. I'm trying to look for an offers. Oh yes, there's a hole here. Okay, I'll open up lah. And just pray that the accessory doesn't disappear. Nice. As I'm opening this up, I'm trying to imagine, do I really want to get more of these figures? Not really, man. With my collecting luck these days, I constantly get doubles, so it is quite irritating. Okay, so it fits. So there is Pigmon with a balloon, and Yeah, I'm missing on the lore, but the details are adorable for this size. I appreciate because it's like a chibi, stylistic impression of the actual kaiju figure, character designs that we see on television and whatever media. So I appreciate that the fact they can get away with, you have, let's say, the primary visuals, but you can get away with proportions a little bit because it's chibi. So when the legs are too short, the arms are it fits here lah. And this is adorable. So yeah, this is a decent set. Very decent set. Let me put Dada next to this guy. This is Dada's card. Peace sign. Cute lah. Kawaii. Oh man. Okay. Kaiju sitting in a row. Wow. Wow. I'm sold. I'm sold, man. The reality is, reality just hit me. I won't be able to afford anymore. But that is not to say that when I can afford more, I will not buy more. Does it make sense? Yeah, I probably will get a couple of more, provided there's nothing else to distract me. So yeah, this is a great set to have. It's a great introduction to the kaijus. Yeah, this is Godzilla. Yeah, I'm not making any sense. I mean my eyesight, I can't really see much details here. But gotta love the alien Baltan. This can. I will attempt to grab more when I am able to. But meanwhile, thank you for watching this unboxing and toy review video. And hope that this can help you have a clearer idea of what toy is available. Oh nice, different heights. Oh, I like it, so cute. Okay, I'm still gushing, I'm sorry. It's cute because it's not exactly all the same sizes. Yeah, sorry, I've never considered this, but Pigmon is much lighter than Dada. Much lighter. I don't know why is that a particular case. I'm looking at the packs. So because in previous boxes I also realized this. I'm digressing. The packs are also different sizes and different weights. So this is Dada's and it's actually smaller than Pigmon's bag and lighter. Yeah, so maybe they balance out the weight. So in case for, I mean, I've been seeing quite a lot. I know it existed long before me seeing this, but folks are like holding on to the boxes and checking out the weight and checking out the sounds and whatnot. So to me, this is hilarious lah. So Pop Mart is probably averaging out the weight. You can see this is heavier and this is lighter. So because I mentioned Dada was lighter, heavier, so it's a lighter bag versus a lighter Pigmon with a heavier bag. Does it make sense? Yeah. So just so you know, if you're intending to shake the boxes at the shops that you go to, just be mindful of what's going on here. Well, other than that, I've digressed enough. Neither dare I call myself an expert in blind boxes. I'm still enjoying myself. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Tune in for the next one somewhere soon. Bye bye.